Working moms raise great kids. I know I am biased because my mother was a working mom. But I believe the skills we had to learn were invaluable as we grew up and later on in adulthood. Is there any evidence for this? I was very happy to read the Harvard study which confirmed my bias. This research examined no less than 100,000 children who had working moms in 29 countries. Basically, the study shows that having a working mom helped the daughters to be more successful in the workplace and they had more supervisory roles. Sons were generally more empathic and had fewer problems in adapting to non-traditional gender roles when raising their own families. At the moment, there is an ever-changing scenario with lots of mothers smart working from home due to COVID-19. This may negatively affect work-life balance. Here are the main points which have emerged from the earlier studies. 1. Gender roles are evolving. Basically, the statistics now show that 1 in 5 parents are staying-at-home moms and dads. This has inevitably changed attitudes towards why and how to run a household. The Harvard study has also shown that men are spending more time on childcare. 2. Sons are becoming more empathic. When sons start helping out with household chores, they are more likely to be more sensitive and caring. They themselves will become better and more empathic partners themselves. There is less need to classify human qualities in gender role packaging. This will eventually improve society. 3. Sons will support their own wives and partners. The sons who were raised by working mothers will themselves be much more supportive and helpful when their own spouses start working. Daughters will be inspired by their mom's example. They will have no worries about juggling job and home duties as they have seen how their own mothers coped. 5. Daughters have more supervisory roles. A New York Times article shows that there is quite a lot of evidence which shows that 25% of daughters of stay-at-home moms were in supervisory roles while that number rose to 33% for those who had working moms. 6. Daughters are paid more. Some studies show the daughters of working moms are actually earning 23% more than their female counterparts who were brought up by stay-at-home moms. This difference could amount to as much as $7,000 annually in the USA. What's the real challenge for a working mom? If evolution really works, how come mothers only have 2 hands? Milton Berle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.